Hi, Professor Sadekha, greeting from Thailand. I'm Taiwan.
I'm Alice.
I'm Esther.
So today we are going to talk about the three ecotourism activities of different times in our region that are unique, that we think that they are unique. So the first one, we're going to talk about the environmental conservation ecotourism. So let me invite Miss Esther to talk about this topic, please.
Thank you, Mr. Winner. So first, I'm going to talk about the environmental conservation ecotourism, and I think this is a very interesting activity. So I choose to talk today, and what I'm going to talk about today is the coral reef planting. Since Thailand, we have like so many beautiful beaches in Thailand, but some beaches we have coral that they were destroyed by the tourism and the tourists who came to visit us. Then, since the coral were destroyed, like the beaches, they lose their beautiful, and some fish and another living thing in the sea like doesn't have place to live, so nobody want to come to visit in that destination. Then later there are like one company that try to solve this problem by uh, planting the coral reef, and they don't have enough like people to help, so they invite like the visitor, the tourists that want to help them with this project, that and planting this coral in Thailand, so that uh, we can have like the beautiful beaches again. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Miss
Thank you.
Esther.
Yes.
So the next one, I'm going to talk about the leisure ecotourism in Thailand. So I'm from the north of Thailand. So the thing that I have noticed that very unique in the north, especially in Chiang Mai province. So the first one, there are a lot of flower gardens happen in the northern part of Thailand. People there, the local people, they transfer their rice field or their farm into the massive white garden flowers with different species. They are like the white one, the white flowers in the garden together, and another like kind of red or blue, yeah, and it's very white. And this is for leisure because of people, the tourists go there to take pictures with the flower stands, and they like okay. Sorry, I was interrupted by someone. So also like they experience the weather there as well. Like is not so cold in Thailand. So most of them, like most of the tourists, they are like from the center or from the south to experience the weather there. And it's very popular nowadays because now in Thailand it's winter. And the next one, there are a restaurant in the field happen a lot. So like they have the local people have their rice field, the farm like into the nature or the jungle, and they just build the restaurant to welcome the tourist to to take some time to relax or to have some meeting there as well. So what they serve is kind of like they drink coffee, like in Bangkok. People in Bangkok they like coffee, drink coffee and working. But they just like move to another place to the north to this restaurant and to stay in the restaurant to order food and while they're working as well, like changing the environment of working. Yes, and I think this one is kind of unique in it is unique in the north of Thailand. Yes, thank you. So the next one, Miss Buma is going to talk about the study ecotourism. What is study ecotourism? Let us listen to her together. Let's
Yes,
go.
thank you very much, Winner. Um, so I'm going to talk about study ecotourism. I believe that this kind of ecotourism in my region is very unique because there are many tourists go to visit there. Oh, um, I forgot to tell you that this is Aka village, which is located in the northern of Thailand.
What is Aka?
Aka is ethnic minority, yeah, who live in the mountain.
Okay.
Yes, and then the tourists who are going to visit that they can learn how Aka people live, the way they live, and how they eat, and also yeah, they are also like tourism can learn like how to do ethic clothes. Yes, and also they can buy some souvenir from this village, such as clothes, bag, and yeah. And the most unique is the food. They plant vegetable by themselves in the garden without use chemical. Yes, and also the way they serve, they like they serve the food like with banana leaf instead of plate. Yes, yeah, and also like
And I have tried. You mentioned about the food of Aka. I have tried one. One of the food is like simple food, but
yes,
delicious. It's kind of from just a normal vegetable,
yes,
just a normal vegetable, but they just boiled it in water and you put salt,
yes,
just a little bit, right? But it tastes like very sweet. The vegetable very sweet, and I can have it just this vegetable and the soup and the rice with it. I can finish off the soup in one bowl,
yeah,
and I think it's unique, how they plant the vegetable. Yes, and can you how about the clothes? You mentioned as well about the clothes. Can you explain more about
you do.
the clothes, the ethnic clothes? How long? For how long?
Oh, they like it's take long time to finish. How can I say?
One piece of clothes.
Yeah, one piece of cloth because we used I don't know.
How many?
Silk,
Yeah.
Oh, you
We didn't use the.
handmade.
Yeah, we used our hand to make it.
Yeah. So it takes a long time.
Yeah.
So that might be very expensive, right?
Yeah, it's very expensive, like 3,000 or 4,000 for each. Yes.
Do you think that too expensive?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's very difficult to make it. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see that.
And also this will Aka also have like swing festival once a year. So the tourists also can come and can enjoy with them.
The festival.
Yes.
Yeah. And also, this is also the destination, ecotourism destination in the northern part of Thailand, which made by Aka people there.
Yes.
And unique as well. Just
Yeah.
finished?
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
So here is our presentation. We hope that you enjoy our video. And yes, we look forward to make a new video and new knowledge to gain more knowledge from you. So we hope that you are doing fine. please take care, take good care, and stay safe. Yes. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Okay.